Welcome to today's quick guide where we'll walk through renaming chat folders in Telegram Web on your PC. Whether you're organizing work projects, personal chats, or group discussions, customizing folder names keeps everything streamlined. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main interface, take a moment to locate the folder you want to rename. Folders are listed horizontally at the top of the chat list, just below the search bar. Now, here's the key action. Right-click directly on the folder name you wish to edit. A context menu will pop up. From the options listed, select Edit Folder. This opens the folder's settings, where you'll see its current name, included chats, and exclusion rules. In the editing window, focus on the field at the top. This is where the folder's name appears. Click into it, delete the existing text, and type your new name. Whether you're switching to something more descriptive, adding emojis for visual clarity, or simply correcting a typo, this is your moment to personalize. After finalizing the name, review the rest of the settings to ensure no unintended changes were made. When you're satisfied, click the Save button at the bottom right of the window. Telegram Web will instantly update the folder's name across your interface. To confirm the change, glance back at the folder list. The new name should now be displayed. If you're organizing multiple folders, repeat these steps for each one. Remember, well-labeled folders save time and reduce clutter, especially when managing large volumes of chats. And that's it. Renaming folders in Telegram Web is straightforward once you know where to look. This feature is perfect for users who frequently tweak their organizational systems or collaborate across different topics. For more Telegram tips, stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe for quick, actionable tech guides. Thanks for watching.